Howdy family. Today a quick video on how to remove your domain from G Suite. The first thing you need to do is go to admin.google.com in the Omni box. You can also use the app selector if you are logged in to your G Suite account. I just logged in a minute ago, but usually it will force you to re-log in to the admin panel. To manage your domains, you go to this domains tile or open up the hamburger menu and go to domains under account. This is a button, add remove domains. Click on that and then find the domain you'd like to remove and remove it. Now when I tried this a second ago, I actually got a red error message banner at the top up here that said I needed to remove all users or aliases that were associated with ebwtechconsulting.com. I had Jacob at ebwtechconsulting.com, and so I've removed that. So that error shouldn't appear. This is telling me that any email or website hosted on this domain will be removed once this happens. And boom. Too easy. Y'all have a good one.